Wow, is this all grown by Akun himself? It's amazing, he has grown a lot of vegetables, and the other boy has nothing in his geography. The little bird ate up all his food. When Akun arrived, he found that all the vegetables in the field had been eaten. Nearby, the boy still laughed at him. After spitting out the seeds, Akun planted the seeds in the ground again to see what would happen. Wow, it's full of watermelons. Ah, a great idea soon. He turned the watermelon into a watermelon skirt. Oh. The girls love it.